Yes, so. It's good to enjoy. Ìkàdìrí ègbé kékun à. Èyọ́ náà. Yes, so now I tell you enjoy and down before I come sit down. Before I come dance, I very enjoy merriment. It's good. Oh. Sister, no, we don't want to. We not hear me yet, bro. Na ye gbọ́ wọn àwọn ọmọ yìí náà rí èmi náà. Na ye gbọ́ wọn ọ lè lọ wọn yí ó wà. Lẹ́yìn èmi yè pé sísá náà wí náà wá sẹ́ wí náà yẹ mí yè pé o. Wọn náà ọwọ́ wọn o. Náà ye gbọ́ wọn náà ọwọ́ wọn o. Ẹni fún wọn ẹ̀rọ owó eri ọ èyí tó bọ̀ mi mọ̀ orí ọ̀ èpè mẹ́. Yà mímú yà rí ọ ìrọ̀dà ẹ̀bọ̀ mi yà fún ọ. Ọmọ mi ló yà wèmí ló dá sẹ́. Ọmọ mi ló yà wèmí ló dá ẹsẹ̀ o. Àwọn ìnára ẹ̀ nírí aṣọ. So, iye o. Wọ́n gé jẹ́yẹ gbé o. Náà mèkì náà yí ló kú o, wọ́n gé túpọ̀ lè pẹ́ yìí. Wọ́n gé rí èrí yè gbé. Ọ̀gá àbúwá pé màá lè rí ọ. Ní ká gbé yọ náà ní ike tó tẹ́ programme rẹ. Ọ̀nà ọ̀sáìkì máa fún wọn ẹ̀rọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọ̀sáìkì máa fún wọn ẹ̀rọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Ìwà jáyé o. Náà ẹ̀ náà pẹ̀ yìí lọ. Náà ìpẹ́ wọn lè lọ́ máa yó wọn. Yáyé. So wow, ọmọ ènìyàn ayé o, náà yóò náà pọ̀ ẹ̀yìn lọ. Káyé, ẹ̀yìn tẹ̀ náà pọ̀ ẹ̀ o. yegbe ijebe nane swemi o weno saunane wadi yegbe o swemi o la swemi o toda swemi o sister swemi o toda swemi o sister ariemi o toda ariemi o sister ariemi o wadi asole o Sister Swemi egbe o, brother Swemi egbe o, sister Swemi egbe o. Ijeme. Ah, Ikebe wegbe swaga. Ikebe wegbe swaga. Ije, emu Ikebe ni gbemi awo. Ijeme. Èkó kọ̀nà rújú ní ọwọ́ yẹ pọ̀ ìjẹ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìjẹ bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n gbé swaka. Wọ́n mú ìṣíjà. Obi teswaka ijere. Obi to jinja. Obi to swaka ijere. Obi to swinja. Obi to jinja. Abeyele si mu eyo, abeyele sabeya mu eyo, bito swaga jinja. Ayele sayeya aya mu eyo. Ayeya amu eyo. Aya mu eyo. Ayele ayeya aya mu eyo. Yeah, this Uyelo Talk Show. Okay, yes. Yeah, this is the Abeyele simu eyo. Abe su eyo. Abe rielo we simu eyo. Abeye ku no va aya mu eyo so fa na ri emi yegbe ara mu aya e. Obi to so aga. Shuka o, ya shuka. Swaga o, waja swaga. Dansa mo, waja dansa. Waja jinja. Sister o. Yes. Shake. Dansa mo, waja dansa. Where give me o, but no sound na ne when I give me egbe o. carry me, I swear me, I when he swear me, yes. Yes, before I want to describe what when we have described. Who that is written exact Ecclesiastes 2:24. Oh wait, I can me, but I labor me, I swear me. Yes, we don't want to swim here. I want to describe some wayward married women. After this track, I will describe some people now. That's Weirdo Talk Show #1 worldwide. Oh. When he carry me, he get this November, first Sunday of November is what the Lord has not ordained cannot take place in my life. you want it. Yes, thank you. Yes, Daniel, Satani. Yes, this we are the talk show. the Kokobiri master, yes, husband to all single mother, the man, Emineri Amama, Osana Yeya Diowa, Ebena we no deru, ona dewawa. Yes, this Kokobiri master, ina bugu gbemi ame kwa gbemere. Although when I buy gbemere money, be egbe oni waru. Etenena, this is me. The Kokobiri master, we are the talk show worldwide. The husband to all single mother worldwide. Yes, I have come. Ire dori put no be ato level to go about dollar doji. I married to ya. Yes, when me na turn on ya, we ought to be me 12. You only we ko any killer, we me ko any killer baba. Yes, need a cold thing now. Yes. Here I'm in the cold period. Yes. Under Ecclesiastes 2:24 said one thing. Ecclesiastes 2:24 said what? Where is good? Nikati evani mawa. Why not yet Ecclesiastes be no why not temeni? What eke? Na riemi yegbe. Wega wina no riemi yegbe. Uga gbugbo wiye. Owe go egebotan. Owe. There is nothing better, exactly 2:24. Or there is nothing better for a man than that he should what eat and drink, and that he should make his soul enjoy good in his labor. This is also I say that it was from the word, the end of the God, the Lord Almighty. After work, enjoy. Yes. Oh, see, in a lot of now. A man, the boon royal weapon in Yegbe. You go in the Buna to Busia. A being an amuyan real. A monare be a weapon marine do why I rejo Yamajoa, a benavi popatina. And yana labor Marie Yegbe. Oh, when I had to make Boratina. Then I agree me a Boratina. I tell me my Amona Gilmu, get with Marie Yegbe. And you go in here, we have a sender your 20 yegbe or 20 no Moses also leg when. No one around qualifying boy no go dom we go only go here. When the men we are doji. He carry me yegbe. Unda iga baria wa. Dame better than a buy we wari me yegbe. He said when I mark. Even the yari me yegbe. If you have a thank you, Star Majesty Kuse. We be me me yegbe oke pari awa. Iya be mi wo gbe na betu eni tayo to. Yes, the daddy giye mi yegbe. And the daddy will to wa vio but me giye mi yegbe mene. Unda wa ma de na jowa. A de na jo. A ma de no sati o ma. Unda sara ti ta wone. But my wu dori or timely death will never be our portion. O eke na riye mi yegbe. E me riye to na riye mi yegbe. Thank you. Happy Sunday, Vincent Lucky Simo Echoes. Thank you, Josephine. Good evening. Happy Sunday, Josephine. Yes. Mammy, when you are being so. Oh, if you know, no deal or deal, greetings, Okori Vivian. Our women who here to a very bright because there was a time very bright was those that knows me know a very was living some certain life. Oh, one, I doesn't even care. No, but time now we're going to say, I, oh, I'm my way now, yeah. Ne. I ti agbe is uma yan iwe nu yan emi dun na ai me woni yan le country ya le ni izo ije country na ijo na ata abata mu pe na ata yan e fe ijemi e fe France e fe di e fe Holland e fe egeni but egeno sa ayo we say ala wo bi me abi po na ya go nu ai ye na wa yi opo ne emi ya dodun na that way you yan iwe nu yan iri iye yan yan na do ri opo na di abie ebe fun e ma ni bi afun ipo ni o ma ni e bi o ma ni ma bi ni ma ri mi ye kia no we no ge no sa ai o sa ge wo be bi me be ge ni no sa wo bi me na bi me when we no sa ai e yoje ona we ibe gi opo ni ina we mi na sa ba na be pe me o se no ga sa na we ya ro wa igbe mere ona we ni ma ni go no si ko run da wo igo we na fe yan ma onu ma ina ya ule ya ge da we gbe eri ona o se mi su asunu we da gbon we o wo sunu na iwo nu emi su asunu we da gbon we fie o egbe so mo pa no utucho sanu dazi degi eyuwe no da gbon aje ge aje yo baba dewe nu ae uma kine ni ano ma we no je yo baba la mo fure ye da gbon me o sanu dazi o mo fure yo o tu no gi owe no to tran we le we iya dogu we gogo iga jere upolibu no gbera o pa me no ro e no te de awon ya me erenete ba be wo so we mi ya was experience where fair is always fighting you go there don't give a for a gbinigbina hey a boy na said to my boy yeah this boy is giving everywhere a fair here fair that a fair there oh a fair one ni o si mi osere ni ma si mi osere gbe ni o ga gbin na ni mo but today o sa na ga pe mi o na ga ri mi owo mi ne ege accept even me I be dagbon we iya mo ise edenena igi dere ye mi ni Ecclesiastes 2:24 ina do ji won pare no touchable pe owo iwa kin ari ye mi ye gbe ike so this talk about people ni atana oni go word on I'm going there now oni atana both Nigeria and here you want to diswagwa them I'm back again those is as association I'm coming for you people now when the cat turn now and when I hear me yegbe he gele down you want now yes o eke na hear me yegbe wa u kun we yegbe o se sọ̀rọ̀ nu ti o se wa gba ye ku gbe wa lo bi wa gba ri e bae e ma onu mo me imie ya ne me ne fe no gun na o ye do talk show imie ya igige ya na ina ge kwa me no ni ya we a gbogbo aye kenoke ma oyebe a Joseph the dreamer the enemy lead him to where he will possess his possession then spread the carpet on the floor that lead Joseph to where he possessed his possession even when he was thrown into the pit and was sent to the Potiphar's house even the Potiphar wife plotted a lie against Joseph that Joseph wanted to rape her. Joseph tried to sleep with her. But Joseph was still walking in faith, was thrown to the prison. From the prison, a revelation came forth. The dream, but who is going to interpret this dream? There was a prisoner among Joseph who was there in the prison with Joseph. And the prince decided to, Potiphar decided to release that prayer. And said, there is a man called Joseph in the cell. This man is a good interpretation of dream. At the end, the brothers of Joseph who plotted to kill Joseph for Joseph not to fulfill his dream, they spread the carpet. Easy way that will lead him to possess his possession. So shall you, my enemy watching me, will spread my carpet that will lead me to my possession, to possess my possession. And so shall it be you, my brother, my sister, my friend, that is planning evil against me. My co-worker, my co-presenter, my friend we eat together, my brother, my in-law, whatever you plot against me, my viewer, those that plot those people, you are leading me to where I possess my possession. Because no woman here, mama there, no woman here, mama there, me no, here okay, okay, beko we agbera beke ra, okay, beko we agbera beke ra, bayona a. Uno gari ege, tori ege. Oma ke o denu nla no ya ege ni. Aweta mo yira, aba ore, alore, I do all kinds of nonsense. Ya ore one way or the other. to plotted evil against that man. At the end, God will still what? His son. He said, who I have choose. Who have sown. So God or turn away. Who will have pushed him? Aunu yare me. Eri me mi no yahu me. Amu do Agbo you do. Iwu no ri mu Bible tell us one year. Boya si one year. Aunu yare me. Eri me mi no yahu me. Oluta o te si one iwani o me me. Ya be. Owa onu yare me. Eri me mi no yahu me. Una we ni pa yo wa we yo ma ume yare. Una oni e yo sun we ma ume be agbon na re. E dakun me ego bi je no bi o me ego bi ga no bi o me. Ogo sanu dazi. O sanu dazi. No gijes no wuyo bi ma ya. O sanu dazi no jopa. No jo no sio na tabe be no nwa we. Ọba ẹ̀yin ekege adagbon no do gba wa no ma obe oni ori abe yen no isa ai sagun yo ba emi akege yo e ọmọ no ga lo ti ore ẹ̀yin oke laare ọmọ no ga lo bi are ẹ̀yin oke laare no lo wo ẹ̀yin oke laare no lo wo we na vandalize yen kokobiri yan vandalize yen o tane we ta wa do vandalize yen. No, we are your bonus clan because your bonus time we are your bonus. But any ya is one Louis warning. So my abandon you. Any ya man arena. Do go. Is there time we are code. You need a code because yes, away to Wagari me yegbe away na sole untouchable. You tell me nigbe little man when I say. Owe wa giari mi igbe yes onona area me ya so am now time wa no win na area mi yegbe wa area mi yegbe area mi owe wa gi asole area mi epo ni owo don ni sole ni ya wonu wa ni na no owo don ya asole ni ya disgwagwa wa ni Sons Association na both Nigeria bi yan ni Nigeria ni boy wa wo sise na yan owo don ya agbára mo re yan ye church gun o yan ri yo ni abe ya disco agwa wa na yes we yellow talk show na wa ki ari yemi yegbe nda we ya gu yi dege mi no suni bi megi yan tie ma ni ma to ri e ba ya to agbe wa fi on Islam me yi dege ni me wa dege na yi wa ri yemi yegbe yan we dey no be I enjoy the best of the marriage your wedding day. Because your birthday, your death day, the only thing a man should rejoice in his life is what? If you know what you see with your eye, you are celebrating was especially your wedding day, the day the bride price is being paid, or the man is getting married, is taking a wife. That day is one of a day man should respect in his life. Because the day you were being born, you were not there when they're making your name history, you don't know anything. And the day you will cry, you don't know anything. But the only thing you will rejoice, that you will celebrate, you see, is what your wedding day. Then I see a lot of women want to become single, want to become vandalized, and marriage may see sleeping around. No, in your wedding day is one of your joyful days in life. Because what the day you will die, you don't know what happened. The day you will be giving birth, you don't know what happened. You don't know what your mom and your dad celebrated. The day, and you don't know. The only day you know is your wedding day. That is the day you need to celebrate and rejoice and dance and shake your bootos. But a lot of people don't know. Some married women keep on flirting, sleeping around, and they belong to a Sons Association. And some of those women, I'm going to talk about them before we talk about some wayward and nonsense, stupid Nigerian people based in Italy who are causing problems to those of us living in Italy. When you are looking for a house, you can't even see a house for them because while Nigeria have called their son, themselves wayward people in Italy. Some, not all. Because they are not paying their house rent. First of all, I'm going to talk on that marriage women. After Wagiyemi Yekbenine. So Wagiyemi Yekbenine, Tony, I want to talk about the Sons Association. Who be the exams and association we dey talk about now? The exams and association, let me my bed put my table near me well. The exams and association we dey talk about. I want to hear me yegbe. You know some people don't say we have to hear the chop, the drink. Those people, here my thing hear me yegbe. Can the America Kenya? My bed talk about those who see the student. If you dance on social media, go drink wine. Yes, nobody they pay my bill, nobody they feed my children, nobody they take up my wife. Now me they carry my responsibility. I'm not a stupid man. When it's come to me to enjoy my life, I enjoy my life. I carry my responsibility. You don't carry my responsibility. So whenever I'm enjoying myself, I enjoy myself. You are suffering like you are walking like a what? A cow. You don't eat. You don't take off your life. You walk like elephant. You eat like ants. Me, I walk and we enjoy myself because I don't want to see after my death my children lavish everything with Papa. No, me of enjoy. Let many be rich people and their children destroy their property. No, me no want them. My children must be decent. I'm as your father, so I need to first for enjoy. That we see they say yeah they drink. Those people they don't see money drink. You say if they go people occasion, that they go Pepe. Don't even sleep. Forget that because they were down person you claim a wolf. Now that they call a wolf run belly. I wolf the wrong belly. I walk and enjoy. You see them for America, they don't people eat. Even though I go clear mortgage, me say I not go eat. There must what we'll talk about your expenditure and your revenue. You make a budget, your expenditure, this is what I want to spend, this is what I want to give. How will I spend this at the end of the month? How will I eat? Take on my bills, my kids. These are the things you need to draft out. But these people when they call for you because they don't be bad here. Yeah, baby, I will enjoy. I will drink and see drink myself, drink everything. I will enjoy because if I die, my soul will be at peace. Like that, and we say, Iwari emi yegbe. Uye do emi yegbe na be sule. Ya emi yegbe be sule. Yes. As awu wa emi yegbe be sule. Àwọn èèyàn we amalelo wa tin ya ekenana emi eating and drinking and sometimes be solo. A solo. Eni ya de ba yemi. Ina ani agiagi but that's solo uno wodo. Who are solo uno wodo you are placed a curse upon your life, your generation. Any man that sleep with a married woman has placed a curse upon his life and his generation. When you know that woman, she's married, and you decided to have an affair with a married woman, automatically you place a curse upon what your generation. There is what we call generation curses. So let those people talk, but me, the only man who say the truth on social media, without no fear, for not the look best here. Because Bible don't talk about my head. Woman is a subordinate, is a helper. Woman must be submissive and be loyal to the husband. But the husband must love his wife and respect his wife. Yet does not make the wife pride on the husband. No, a man must don't suffer and labor, but respect your wife, love your wife, make your wife happy, give your wife joy, smile, because she's your helper, she's your fuel tank. Whenever your wife is praying for you, when you are outside, my brother, the prayer of your wife is like God praying for you, because you are paid the price. She's with you at home. When she's praying for you, go out, your wife bless you. The blessing will be with you because she's with you. She's the one you are. She's your wife. When you are, she prays, bless you. Hey, God, my husband go up. God, where did you my husband pull up? Make better for her. May my husband not see police. May not see them. May not see us. When your wife is praying, the way he's praying for his own child, that is why when a man is praying, sometimes you put your hands on what this way. You pray upon your word. You bless your children. You pray for a woman you have slept with your wife. Same your wife will pray. Say, no female. He can't emi no balona. I said, may God bless my husband. My husband no see police problem. Anything my husband, you got a better for life. But these are some certain things we men don't know. they disqualify women when not responsible. But I will tell you the truth. I've come to repair, not to destroy. But any woman will tell you, any man, woman will tell you, say, suck your wife, may curse be upon that person. May death be upon that person. May frustration be upon that person. And in that new penny can no man even. Why? It might mean any Nigeria out there. It might mean your body no man won't hear near. If you did me down soon, that money on that boom all day, on that way the egg near baby yo. Or I not tired of beer. Or I will not back on you. Obenika on any woman will say make him man. Husband make this, make the back on the soccer. You will be frustrated. You will remain a woman vandalized by Kokobiri, and you will never know peace. You will become what? You will live a wayward life and die a single mother. And if you are a man that always like that thing because you are sucking your girlfriend because you want to extract from them, you will be miserable. You will remain wayward in your life. Today I speak, the first Sunday of November, I speak today by the ancestors, by the gods of our land, our culture, and the gods of the land, the Europe you place your feet upon. As I speak today, so shall it be. You cannot destroy a man's life, your fellow man's life, because you are doing it. You want to initiate them to live a wayward life. Any man or woman that wishes his fellow brother and friend to live a wayward life, you will live a wayward life and become miserable in your life. I've said it, so shall it be. To plan evil to destroy humanity is not our culture, it's not our tradition. This is the hands of the gods. Yes. Wayward people. Now I make many women know they stay husband ass. Because of say, back on your lick my pekus. Where they pekus where they lick. You hear one big music where they sing. If momos are not Jew, if mommy just know ye kia ba walk my na je kia we. Walk my na je kia we Papa Jesus. If momos are not Jew, if mommy just know ye kia ba walk by na je kia we obujibe. Walk by na je kia we Papa Jesus. Or matter work. If momos are not Jew, no Jew no ya alaluwe. If momos can no Jew, no na je kia ba no pa no na je kia we. Ori je kia no na Jew. What guje? Because orumie mi agboni wani buma the reason. O ma Jew we na munu yo. Wewe when me alate ipamos ana Jew, ipamos ana Jew na la lo. Ipamos ana Jew. Ipami just no je kia ba wo pa na je kia we. Wo pa na je kia we Baba Yesu. Wo pa na je kia we ogeba. Wọ́pẹ́ na jẹ́ kí a hùwé Baba Jésù. Omi ẹ̀mí ọ̀pùn gbẹ̀wé bá ògé mọ́ ó. Wọ́pẹ́ na jẹ́ kí a hùwé Baba Jésù. Òsànà jẹ́ kí a hùwé. Ọ̀hún the reason. Ọ̀májú lélẹ̀. Ezaz Association Women náà. Some condense go muda or say you do say problem na na make me anibu na wa we webo na wa we webo wa ye tin go wogun atamo wo iwe mi na o wa do but my when you back o tell hey baby I don't do that. I'm a traditional man. He said against our culture, against our law. Is it supposed for a man to bear down and be sucking all those national waste product, all those the condemned waste product from the body of a woman? You suck everything. You suck this nitrogen. You suck anything suckable. message to married women. Yes. Uyedo talk show the Kokobiri Master or the level. 1. I hear Bible. The Uyedo talk show who came to join to promote our Africa culture. Uyedo culture have come to stay. And no 2 Uyedo talk show in Nigeria. The only Uyedo talk show registered no in Federal Republic of Nigeria is me. That is registered worldwide. The only Uyedo talk show no worldwide is me. Registered in Federal Republic of Nigeria. Is the only boy. No Uyedo talk show too. Say register. And the certificate say take. The only man. How many Uyedo talk show? Now only one. Because why? Uyedo. It don't go back to the doji. My real. It must seem you say do. But my man no real Bible. That way. Oba tie boy nika agreement. I nika o. One you wa visual tani. I nene nika o na ana. Oba tie boy nika agreement oba aga gwa ma ya ni dege ma ya iyo. Awe. No fipe get do no baje. Awe no rie e do no baje no rie bo yo te do ni. Wo salobwedo. Orekete. Osle. O sanutazi. Orukia diagbon. Ona gimano do gwedo le do jiwe wa na wa asiu soredo. Ma asiu soredo. Awona ni umo ba me na eko wa yeye me yo. Awona ni uni bena. Ima mini uno gima. Ono na ni wa una. Ni ma lele do. Ni ma fi lele do to ajinaje. Na ga lele onyeme osomoteko. Ibi yes. Ikwo ba dole doji iyori abo if you gbege wa abuano osagbe yon ba yon ni ka o yari me devini meri me o ni ya po mo ba nedo e o ba me wese awuru me na no ni ya poru ye no mano ka do me o ba wese Opa wese yagi me menu yedo devini meri me o ni ya go ba dole doji o opa wese opa gato ope na e opa wese opa e wa enu pogeva e opa wese ogiri ekete bedo e opa wese owe na le do Hey, opa wese. Obi agibe etre. Demi agibe o. Ni ya po mo ba nedo. Hey, opa wese. Iga yuporu yen no ma no kedo me o. Opa wese. Iyegbe me ya roto ne. Hey, opa wese. Awono na. Ni una. No gima. Ipo unye no ma. Iyori abo. Inna yasle no nyeme ya somoteko ni ya mumugima oba ewa enu giva ogigi edo ona mafi we edo ona redo dole doki owi ere na miere mi ya na ka una sun awe ya opo no ka polo wa ne polo wa ke amwe ba no ta fon yan na we no ra polo wa de agbe o dera gbe wo ya uwo ke le ba nedo no odo e dera gbe wo ya opolo wa ni eni ya vio elawa papa me ani mi na ye ga pe orita ah ina we baba uta oge o baba emena na ana eyin ya meta we I read a Bible. Yes, to the married women again. I digress a little bit to praise and adore the King of Benin Kingdom. Yes, I must praise and adore my honorable King, The worldwide king. My king. That's the Benin king. Yeah. Lady Meg Agbonze, thank you. But I can't bear, he said. That's wrong. Yes. If you are a married woman, a married woman in Nigeria, in Europe, you don't come, man, use page and download down now. You can't come, we can see many things where our women they do, where some of these pastors don't kneel them. There are many things where they happen both Nigeria and where because they fire only them for Europe. No, we have to don't turn her now, both Nigeria and Europe. I want to disguise both the single mother in Nigeria, married women in Nigeria sleeping around, and those in Europe. We here to ask come because 2020 is to disguise all those married women in Nigeria sleeping, having an affair, young boys vandalizing them, and the single mother fully themselves. The time has come. Who here though is moving from step to step to promote our African culture. I'm not only dealing with those in Europe, but I'm telling people there is a stage we move. We move. So now we are moving to those married women, both in Nigeria and here, because they belong to what? Ezanza, and some of them belong to Ezanza Association. Any woman that have husband that she's married and sleeping around, she belong to Ezanza Association. Yeah, I need me. Yeah, me also. I need to give me. Any woman that belong to yeah, they come. Well, any woman that belong to what? A Zaza Association. Any married woman? No. No, at the common and not vessel. Any woman that belong to a married woman who belong to a Zaza Association, she's a wayward woman. Not be only Europe women belong to a Zaza Association. I want to let you know. Not be only Europe women belong to a Zaza Association. But a Zaza Association don't get many branches now in different African countries. A Zaza Association come many for Nigeria now. But we here to come break the feather of the Zaza Association, both in Europe and in Africa. As the husband to all single mother, if you know you are among the married women, a married woman sleeping around, you have been sleeping around because marry your husband because they don't advance, you know fit dey twerk you well, you know fit twerk. Because we don't say when men some men they have enough fit dey twerk well. The woman you can't carry that thing go give young boy because the man not dey twerk you well again. You know fit twerk you well. And you know say this man not be like woman. When man dey advance, they go the old, you know fit the way you want time, you know fit. But because you now woman, you don't belong, they don't initiate you to his association, you begin to sleep around, my dear. Curse upon that woman. That I want to give you an advice. Those married women in Europe, in Nigeria, that are still sleeping around, I can't give you this advice. Make una change. Before I give you this advice, because I can't be one on one. I'll play this me because me igagbe me igamu me wa planning me egba ya be one on one. Ya benu one me igagbe me igamu unda obieni ka the eyes of the gods wa ma pe mi tamen back to sender because you don't tell matter now ya can't be one on me igagbe me igamu wa on wa on me ki amu. When I resent, and you are amen. When I resent, when you look at shit, you look at me like that. I can't be one and I go. Untouchable, untouchable, Sameme. Oh, wow. Untouchable, oh, Sameme. Untouchable, oh Sameme. Yes, sir. Maggie can't be, oh, yeah, untouchable, Sajime. I want to play with that cake for our dog. Yes, that is Uyedo Talk Show worldwide. The number one Uyedo, the only Uyedo wey we know. Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uyedo Talk Show worldwide. So today, I want to talk on now while I turn now. Yes, this is the Kokopri Master. Just want to single mother. Any woman who no water, no regret, no if you were you are now. O radio, o oja o sono, no. O no be amugo yo, o be ariye ona mugo yo una pa una ya lelo opi abebo because ni buro ni owodo married women may use preaching first. If you know you are a married woman, you are having an affair outside your matrimonial home, it's a taboo and it's an abomination according to our culture and tradition. But today, let me this that one they land, they give me voice here. So if you know a married woman that belongs to a strange association that was sleeping around, we have many of these married women both in Africa and in Europe. We have them in Nigeria, we have them in France, we have them in Spain, we have them in Italy, we have them in Germany, we have them in Dublin, we have them in London, we have them in UK. We have them in Portugal. We have them in Nigeria, married women who are still sleeping around, which is a taboo and a sacrilege, an abomination to our culture and tradition. We have what we call culture. We have tradition. We have what we call heritage, what we are born to meet those particular things. We know it's a taboo. Why are these women engaged in such acts, thereby bringing those men into slavery? Because any woman you are married to and the woman is sleeping around, having an affair, automatically the woman, there is what we call curse upon the man. The man can never excel in life. Let me tell you one thing. The man will be facing difficulty. The man will not know where this problem is coming from. Do you know I'm betting people to know this thing today? It has come to my notice and the cup that I'm waiting for the cup to fill up before I will broadcast this particular thing. It's a very, very bad thing. A lot of our women have been married and have been having an affair outside their matrimonial, have been sleeping around, which is against our culture and tradition. But most of them used to say, we are in a civilized world. But the civilized world you are, the country you are living, there is a doctrine and there is a law, there is their culture which we are abiding to. I am living in Italy. I will walk to the culture and the law of Italy. I will not kick against their culture. That is what was the origination of what the bleeding culture came, which is originated from the Portuguese, from the Greek, what called bleeding culture. What we are talking about bleeding culture. Bleeding culture is what we know is that you tell me your culture, your tradition, then I'll tell you my own. So that we won't wrong each other. I will know this is your culture, your tradition. Then I will know, I will wrong you with your culture. But a lot of our Nigerian female, our women, especially our women, because the men, some of them are being lured by the women. Because our men, most of them are weak men. They are not working. They are lazy men. So we know when Buhari is lazy Nigeria youth, yes, we have really lazy Nigeria youth. Una see now as I talk about that particular married women sleeping around, a lot of married women run because they do it. But at the fire sick, but they go full. No see married women take my program just now. They made it just now. As I talk about married women sleeping around with their husband, you know why they don't come up on my platform now? They don't want to make their husband wash them. Because the moment I begin drunk and their husband deal with them, they watch them. That thing when they take tied your husband, because I am the eye of the gods. And the husband, they look me, they look the woman, the thing go come out, the shoe we put on that bed go spoil. Where he tied the mic go spoil. Because I represent God, the apple of God's eyes. The apple of God's eyes. The moment I'm talking, God is speaking to me. So those women, they ran away immediately out of my platform. You see them, you know why they ran? That is the reason. Because they know what this man is saying, because the husband will know. Now I make you see those women run now, they're not sure. Because they know, say, I'm dealing on them. Not be single mother now. I'm married women. Married women that are fooling themselves. A married woman go left a man all your waist. You go press her. You know, say when women, sometimes when we feel hug women, it get what they feel for some women. I feel hug you. The feeling is you bear this thing. But I say, when you hold some women, the body go make sweet. When we touch you, women. No say, married women will give itself to man. Man or you, the man or you, the way you do. Automatically, that man go want to blow you. I can't tell you now today. Any marriage woman where be still in Nigeria, they you, it they sleep around. And the left man, they only waste. You wait, be say they marry you. You they say, if you might turn at the street, you know where problem come for this Europe where we see some. Where this problem come, now be say when some fake pastor come originated, they can't deceive our women. Say forget culture tradition. They use and deceive the women. Now make you see say this pastor can't sleep with married women. We get culture. Our women are bound to take an oath according to our culture and tradition. When you are being married, Jesus Christ was named according to the culture and tradition of the land. Jesus was named according to the culture. Read the Bible. Jesus never kicked against the culture and tradition. Why then pastors kicking against our culture and tradition just to extract and sleep with married women? And if you take a look at Europe now, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, all the married women, pastor don't blow, not all of the majority of them. I tell you, I stand by my word. At the Europe now, pastor don't chop any woman where conquer, where they do. Those who don't understand the conquer, they believe what I mean, they conquer. Where conquer, do not know the way I do them. I mean, now understand the conquer. Where conquer, where they do, where they here. When pastor say, so married women, where you see them, they are conquer like this. And you know, say, pastor, when they preach, going to come. This woman also stand up. This woman go to swag. Pastor say, and the pastor lay hand. Oh, you go Bible, they pray one pray for you. Ah, if you down, coconut say then say, you say this one coconut that also come. Then pastor go deceive her. During the coconut, don't press and go. No pastor, and I go see one vision, go touch the coconut where go hold on. God don't solve the problem. Not say money don't put my for woman. Must go in total. So these are the problem. You see women, they can't stand to go with their husband to take a oath. When we talk about a new, let's go and take over the venue. Why the problem we are facing in Europe. And this problem escalate to Nigeria. Our old women, we don't fake or those old cartoon where they Europe, they go teach our women for Nigeria. Now teach them. Now teach them. Old cargo for Europe, now teach old women for Nigeria. Yes, can I me talking? Because the women for Nigeria don't know all this thing. Now we will travel the old cargo women for Europe. Carry those messages, again, I draw near. What you will get? If you can't vandalize where we go. When I go water, we have the up to an over water, we are my done. They spoil and they spend this and this don't begin to. Those women come follow the kind back when their sister teaching, which is very, very wrong. Now you see many of our men are being useless in life today. And the way our men of the explain is caused by our Nigerian women. We're African women. We have then caused this problem where our people are, our men not be grow. Our men not be excel. Because our women don't vandalize, they don't useless in the life of the men because they are being vandalized. These are married women that belong to a Zaza association. These are the women I'm talking about. The woman that decided to associate herself and join an organization known as what? A Zaza Association Club of what? Of Africa based in Europe. We have a Zaza Association in Africa. But we don't have a Zaza Association of a Club of Africa based in Europe because they were being formed. This is a Zaza Association Club was formed by those based in Europe. They now have branches in Nigeria. But they are African women, African ladies, married women. Want to be like white. When your skin and the white skin, there's difference between black and white. This is white. You see white? You see black. Are they the same? My people, white and black, are they the same? White, black, are they the same? Is there any mist and the black become white? Even though you bleach, you will still stop the clean, you become black again. And you will not become a wayward black. Then I want to tell you one particular thing you know. You screen when this one bleach is set to become white. Now when money not there to bleach again, you don't the old. The skin will come draw. It will come become turned to black and the black will come useless. Same like a married woman. When one act like a white a woman, when you say why they sleep and you say one go fuck different people. But when the woman done the old, you go forget saying an African woman, no man go take her. It just was like she'll come the peace for her. You can't see the woman. Now they go like, hey mommy, I'm not good, man. I'm not saying anybody. But the woman forget say the time when they vandalize her, when she useless her life. You see her, you can never be like white, whether you bleach or not. You can never in life. Never. White and black is two different things. You can, no matter how you bleach, how can a woman decide to be, say I want to be like white? You bleach the skin, you bleach the beauty in your life. Then you decided to be like white. And when there is no money, you are going older. Now you said no more green. You can't get, here it can't be green. Here it can't be blue. Here it can't be mid color. Here it can't be orange at the time. No say you can't wawa. You can't spend as well be like women where they vandalize, married women where they vandalize. I don't describe the two to now. The difference between black and white. You see the two different things. It's two different things. You can never become white in your lifetime. Black is black. White is white. That is why we have green, we have white, we have orange, we have blue, we have yellow, we have gray, we have mid color. That is why. They were all created for different purposes in life. All these things was created for different purposes in life. Your purpose in life, you threw away with your purpose. You want to be like a Jennifer. But Jennifer is a white man. You are Osasu. Osasu cannot be like white. And if you look at your name, Osasu, God is going with you. Look at the meaning of Jennifer. You have different name and different mission. You have different mission on earth. Osasu and Jennifer is different. Different mission on earth. My dear brothers and sisters, Uyado Tosho is here to bring this advice. My beautiful women and my handsome men, the time has come. Let's work with our culture and tradition to live a happy life and stop sleeping around married women. It is very, very bad for a woman that is being married, having an affair outside his matrimonial home. No. You this my other tell it, they make me a bebe. No. I'm not saying you they obstruct me here. Yes. I hope people are hearing me. Both of them have different mission in life. So you cannot just decide to be doing what is wrong. So that in particular is a wrong thing. My people, Uyado Tosho is a man who have come to bring peace to both men and women, for which will have a happy life. A lot of women hate me. A lot of men hate me for my truth, but I don't care. Even when Jesus was preaching the gospel, people dislike him, but after his departure, they know he was the savior to the world. Same. I am telling you the truth. You may hate me, you may dislike me at this point in time, but realize one thing in life. I will speak the truth, and the truth will set me free. If because of that truth you will go away from me, you hate me, doesn't mean. I have seen a lot of women and men decided to hate me, but I don't care about that. Thank you, British Obaka. Good evening, my sister. You are welcome to my program, British Obaka. Happy Sunday. I can see you, my beautiful sister. So it doesn't care. I don't care about what people say about me. What matters? The vision in me. Let me utilize it. What I'm being sent to do, let me do it. Let me do what I'm being sent by the ancestors, by the gods of the land. that I should try and bring changes to my people so that they will know I have come to bring changes in their life, positive changes, not negative changes. But a lot of people decided to turn it upside down. No. I tell you the truth. If you are my friend because of my truth, you hate me, fuck you. Man, it's better to tell the truth. But there are a lot of people that will stand through my truth. Today, I have come to let you know, if you are a married woman, you call yourself married woman, you are having an affair outside, automatically you belong to a Zanza association. I've been dating on the word single mother, single mother, single mother. That's why I tell nobody, no woman, single mother that is proud. No, when a single mother she's proud, she's not proud. She's in pain, she's dying in silence. No woman single. No woman is proud. There's difference between Miss and Mrs. And many women are not supposed to become single, but they were caused by some wayward and useless men who placed them to become single. That is why the decent women who are responsible single mother, and may God send a life partner for you, a man that will cherish you and adore you and follow you and take you like an egg. That will not allow you to fall down. But when an egg falls, it will destroy. You can pick it again. So the man will hold you like an egg, will not allow you to fall. We always put smile, joy in you. We make you smile. When you are a single mother, you did not belong to Kokopori Foundation Association. Have it in mind. God Almighty will always send you the right man. Women have this thing in mind. We are men. We are watching both the decent women and the non-decent women. When a man is approaching you, he knows if you are a responsible woman or not. I want women to have this thing in their mind. A man that is approaching you is watching you. You will say, fine, not fine. Oh. Then people say you get nyash, you get breast. Oh no. You get good nyash, you get good breast. Now you are being fertilized by Kokobe. When you get big breasts, you get big breasts, you get greener, but the breasts and the nyash now fertilized by Kokobe. You don't get cat. And I like a man more you. Now they go use you to Men, no say women, we get why women they talk to say a man might go marry woman way ugly, not marry fine. Maybe all the fine get away in front of them, they flirt, they don't know. You go select. You look the one way, not fine, or they get on the flirt. This one is going to be a good housewife. You go marry her. Yes, now so women did one. I want to tell you one secret. We have many fine women today. I want to tell you one secret. Many fine women. Out of 100 beautiful fine women, 70 na public dog, 30 na decent women. Many fair women today, whether black beauty, fair beautiful, whether fair beauty, black beauty, 70 na public dog, 30 na housewife. Why? 70%. Too fine, I go look at too fine. The man thought I do like I get many way they approach me, many way they toast me. Many way they toast me, many way they approach me. From there, the woman go to mess up people. Different way go to put them because your husband go to open the deck. But she forget, she dey fool herself. I just tell people, when the woman say I'm beautiful, examine that woman. You are beautiful. Do you have the quality of a housewife? There is difference between a beautiful woman and a housewife. A virtuous woman. A lot of women are beautiful, but they don't have the quality of a housewife. They look at their beauty. At the end, they belong to a sons association. After getting married, the man can talk to them. They've been vandalized by Kokobiri, by young Nigeria boys. The Nigeria women today, based in Nigeria, if you see some of them, our young boys, now they blow them. You know, say our young boys from Nigeria, they use Buratashi and Extramadol. If you go Nigeria, our boys are always using Extramadol. Extramadol. You know, see all those men where you drink and Chinese Castle. If you drink Chinese Castle, you know, going to give you power. And Chinese Castle, if you drink all those, you go blow woman for 3 days, you don't go release. You know why? Because the thing they be like, when they fight against the power, because you don't tell no bless, because throw your body, the next you go blow tire, you don't go come. And most of our boys, they don't use that for most married women for Nigeria. If you see our women for Nigeria, Extramadol, Chinese Castle, don't use that, blow them finish. And all these women don't push us forehead. I shall show. No. These are the problem. Extramadol, Chinese Castle, that's strong too. I think they blow most of our women. You say, hey, this man they blow well, they blow well. You know what it they blow you, they blow well. What the man, your husband they try for birth. You know what it that man they blow you. I know many men will verse for me say they reveal the secret. Yes. And one man and women live a decent life. Not say some of those married women where they talk about where they don't use Extramadol and this kind of blow both you up and they don't back again. Say this man don't talk on that you. And if you see those women that they blow, they shake like a shake on. Ewo, ugbemewa, ufie minoton, ugbemewa, ufie minoton, ọ̀dọ̀fọ̀mẹ́ pie gbọ́dọ̀, ìjẹmẹ, ọ̀gẹ́lẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀, eyíwẹ̀já, ebinuwẹ̀pìtù, ọ̀tú, obiati, ọ̀dọ̀nuwa, married women. Nonsense. When your husband is looking for the delivery because the husband is not enough to go on with this thing, you went and be giving him heart. Are you supposed to do that? As a married woman, nonsense. We must live a good life. A married woman is not supposed. When you are even single, you have affairs good. A married woman, you said you are married, and then they give you. And if you see all these married men, make them want to know those married women whether they give on when small boys they bring you see them for occasion, marriage or anything. If you see those married women where they are young, you know why those women they dance for they because of the way those young boys they do shame baba. Married women. Look now, stop to the sleep around now where they do am. When they bring bad luck to your husband. Bad luck to your husband. A woman that is being married, she's not even allowed for a man to touch your waist. A man is not supposed to place his hand on your waist because you are married. A woman that is married, a man is not supposed to hug you and hold you like this. And most married women in Europe, they will hug a man, a friend, maybe their husband friend, but they will hug you. When you know you are in the husband's house, you will hug a man like this. And when the man hug you, your nipple go feed the man. You know, say women will be a back. When you hug me like this, say, my body touch your breast. I go know the feeling of the type of rest where you get. I go say, oh man, I go. You know, sometimes women when I examine, you know, so when you hug man, you see the man see oh you, he no quick leave you, see oh you. Oh, man, this woman feel good. I feel good. You might say, hey, you did good though. Long time you never accept me, oh. You don't forget me, oh. Nah, the man they feel the niveau. The man they feel the pain in the sweetness. He go, oh you, hey, this woman good. Una know. We be men. I go, oh you well. Because that niveau, in the feel the sweetness. And women don't know. Hey, you go, oh, that's going to be your husband. You go hold on. You give her, you go hold you well. So the man can't use it. Not when women, oh, you can't use it and tap and go to the house like this. Because you say, hey, where you come to, you never ask at me, oh, now me so, you forget me, oh, my baby, I'm there. Yes, the man put it to us, he positioned the house, and the married woman was talking to a man that is not the husband, and the man placed his two hands on the buttocks, and the woman is talking, and the man is feeling something sweet, and the man begin to tap, he begin to clap, he tap the current of the husband, and the woman is enjoying it, and the man cassava begin raise, and the woman feel it. You are telling me that? Are you a decent woman like that? You are not a decent woman. You are an irresponsible married woman. You are an irresponsible married woman. Because a man places hands on you, he tap her, he clap here, he tap here, he put her here. And you call yourself a married woman. What kind of married woman are you? You are not a married woman. You are an irresponsible married woman that belongs to a Zaza association. Okay? So those women that are doing this, some of these women who engage in this, because not all married women, a married woman, some of these married women that engage in such acts should desist from it. I have come to tell you the truth. Nothing but the truth. I say the truth. Even though you say I the yes, I the flirt, yes, I'm not enough for my program now. But I'm not going to go sleep with married woman. I be present, I want to lie. And they talk to say women with the shit. I be tell you say, now let my wife at the sleep. No, I know the lie for my program. I'm a genuine man. Yes. I be carry woman as a man because man get right. Me I know the lie. Even though you say, hey, you do you see how we now make plan. You know if you get called to say you see how we get, hey, you do the shop life now. If you carry paper and enjoy. I be man. Now me I follow tradition, but I don't tell you say as a man, me go do how. Not do. You know say you know have the quality of a man, you are being controlled by your wife, don't do it. Many women they be slave. Me I not be slave. If you are a slave, me not be slave. You know, you take off your wife, you are a slave. Me I carry my responsibility as a man. If you can carry your responsibility, then are you the presiding officer of your home. To become a real man is a man to carry the responsibility of his family. Women support, yes, women support. Women support, that is why they are helper, a full time, settle time to help you to accelerate her. But does not make the woman to ride on you. Okay? Yes, now maybe the only man for someone that they talk say yes, we need to chop. Yes, I know the lie. I mean, man, now our culture tradition. As Sammy Bawon, we're not there. Or me, I be the only truthful person for social media. The rest men, they fear their wife. They don't slap them because their wife belong to us a Zaza association. Ta mota. Ima smunu ima same yunuta. When a man is afraid to speak the truth, to preach the good gospel out for the public, and is afraid because of one thing of his wife or whatever, automatically the woman belongs to his association, and the man is what? A weakless man. Those kind men, they back on you. A man need to say the truth. Your wife will know my husband said the truth. Your wife might have disagreement. You might have quarrel. My home, I'm not perfect. Meet my wife, they quarrel. We they get disagreement. Some of them just come quarrel. When you come out on social media, we they quarrel. But as a man, you prescribe over your home. If I am the head of the home, you must be submissive to me. Unless me marry you. If na me use my money, pay your bride price. Not be your money and take money, put money for your head. As far as you use your money, put money for your wife, she must be submissive. And your money you take pay her bride price now. Now money you take pay her bride price. A man need to use her money pay a woman bride price. Don't let woman give you her money to pay her bride price. Now that you know say that the woman marry you. And most men for Europe now women pay their bride price. They are making women they slap them. You collect woman money, take go pay bride price. Now the woman put money for you. And of course the woman go fuck around. Maybe get this one. Any woman will use the woman money, see give the family. So say na the bride price. My dear man, those women no wrong if they sleep around. Now you cause her. How you use women money to pay bride price? As you use the woman money to pay, the woman go fuck up. Now you go you bia, and bia me go you also bia na ti be fie kon be. Now the woman money you take put bride price, and a man and they put money for woman, I make man get right. Now the woman put money for your head. So the woman you also get the same right. When you feel say when the man when you suppose clear, the woman not take the right. When you suppose clear, but now money now I put for you, I put up for your head. Now the money keep put for my head. Now the woman now take your right. You sold your best to your wife, then your wife will not be sleeping around. Man, man, don't make mistake. And this I'll push out for men to know. Very, very important message. These are where our men are crying, suffering. Hey, my wife is sleep. But now your money you put for the woman head, or now the woman give you money. Have you examined yourself? Now the woman money you put for the woman head. If you put the woman money, the woman might be man and the woman get her to fuck aside. The woman get her to act like people because you go put the blacks, I go put the whites, I go measure together. You know why you go measure together? Because the woman money, now you put like the woman put money for your head. How can a man we get culture woman money? You say we gonna have your own. As you put the money, automatically now the woman pay bride price for your head. Get that? And the woman go fuck around. And it take the grace of God for a only woman. You go know maybe you don't get money. You did truthful. You are no, you don't have. I give you money and the money, but you know even good. No take. I give big money. And you go. I support a marriage. Let me tell you, people. When a woman assists you in matrimonial marriage, when you want to marry, yes, woman do happy. When the woman bring her money to assist you, my dear, the woman money put up one side. If you want to go use and buy that, not use the woman money to pay her bride price. Yeah, don't try it. Let's use the money, go buy what you want, buy, do support everything, but not use the woman money. Carry and go, they buy things we want to give the family, all the yam, everything. They cannot use the woman money. Not use woman buy everything, whether they buy, they pay bride price, not use the woman money, my brother. Use your money, your sweat money. Not use the woman, use your sweat money. If you do that, you'll see happiness in your life. Temptation they come for marriage. Marriage na home where they beat quarrel. Marriage na place will be say more disagree to agree, but the end shall tell. The end you see the sweetness of the marriage. Sweetness the marriage, enjoyment, life the marriage. We get bitter part, we get this. The happy past sweetness the marriage. There is nothing when you are living with your wife, your kids. You see the joy. Seeing your kids alone. Coming from work. When the kids hug you. Come on, man. There is joy seeing your kids so wrong. When you are coming for work, embrace daddy. You see the joy. We saw that we grieve, we are angry. So that I want to rest. My kids doesn't allow me to rest. But when you ask and you sit, you feel the pain, this joy. They will disturb you. I say, dears, I'm going to get this thing. But not the joy. They will ruin me too. These are things a lot of men don't know. Those gentle single father, wayward father, they don't know the sweetness of having the feelings of the kids, the fatherly love, the caring, the sweetness, seeing your children around you, playing with you, making some certain things, calling your daddy, Papa, do this one, Papa, change cartoon, Papa, I need this one. And there is joy. A lot of people don't know. But they all carry blockers on me. You're born here, born for Sokoto, born for Kano, born for Medical, born for Lagos, born for Benin, born for Sababa, born for Akwa Ibom, born for Cross River. You go say born for Germany everywhere. Go say in our man. You don't be mad. Your dad tell me where be me. As I talk to this marriage, me where they sleep and I ask you that one give me that. Happy Sunday, Juliet. You know, sir. My people, any married women where they sleep around, she is not a responsible housewife, and a man should do away with such woman unless she chooses to change. When she refuses to change, do away with her, because she's a barrier to your destiny. She's an obstacle to your destiny. You can never be married and be having an affair outside your matrimonial home. Any woman who does that is sending the husband to early grave. And most Nigerian women, both those based in Europe and in Nigeria, are fond of this. Some of them, not all. Some of them are fond of this. Those that are engaged are those that belong to a Zanzibar association. They use Christianity to cover and they will throw away our culture, our tradition, because they know their mission. Their mission is to be sleeping around. And some of them, the church they attend, when the pastor have slept with them, so they have no choice to join what? A Zanzibar association. Because they know the pastor have vandalized them. That is why when a woman is calling the pastor daddy, slap that woman. If you are the man, your pastor is not your daddy. I am your daddy. You are my mommy. The pastor's wife is the mommy to the pastor, while the pastor is the daddy to the husband. I am your daddy. You are my mommy. Let your wife know this, honey. I'm your daddy. You are my mommy. Pastor is not your daddy. Your daddy is right here with you. You are my mommy. Then you see the sweetness of your marriage. You don't allow your wife to be calling the pastor daddy. How does the pastor become his daddy? When the woman calling the pastor his daddy, automatically the pastor has something to do with the woman. And that is touching what? The good things, the two mango or the pastor. It is twinkle, twinkle, little star. The watchman, okay, like this pastor. Now, I'll show you one thing. Like this pastor now, the wife will touch me. Now, so this is these women. Look at these women now. Whether they pray for now. Let me show you something about this somebody. Let me show you something about this pastor preaching. You now tell me this is a pastor. He's not a pastor now. I want to show you something. Okay, like this lady, a pastor placed hand. Look at this woman. A pastor, a man of God. Look at what the pastor is doing. Is this supposed to be taking place? You are praying for a woman. If a man of God is doing such thing like they bless his hand, don't put her for the coins. So a woman wey pastor put am for breast, put am for corn. These are how many pastor does it. Many pastor will put hand here and put hand here. They will scare you. You see, all these women. Okay, the pastor is feeling the good things. A pastor put hand there, he put hand there, and the pastor is enjoying. You will not tell me he's a man of God. Those are what pastors are doing. You see it? My people, those are some of the things I want you all to know. It's very, very wrong. You see what is happening? How can a man be praying and be putting hand here and putting hand here? No. Is that pastor? Say wrong. Very wrong. I have come to preach my gospel to everybody. Accept it and as you do, God bless you. And for those of you in Italy that are not paying your house rent, I'm still coming for you. But I've used time to talk on what married women sleeping around today. I love you all. Have a wonderful day. I remain Uye the talk show, the Kokobri master, the husband to all single mother. Now me be the man, no other man, no get two, now one. Thank you. See you next on my program. I wish you all the best. And none of you will die in the remaining days of the year. We know that sickness will not be for you. Accident will not be for you. Terminated will not be for you. Frustration will not be for you. The remaining blessing of this year which God has assigned to you, you will possess that blessing. Nobody shall take those blessings away from you. Today I bless those of you that will stick to my word and keep on sharing my program and subscribe. Even though you didn't share, then that you subscribe. But the blessing that I've spoken out of my mind today shall be upon you as you watch me today. Remember today the blessing which God has ordained and promised the month of November and December for you. That blessing shall fall upon you. No man shall take the blessing away. Neither your brother nor your sister, neither your best friend, nor your boyfriend, nor your fiancé, nobody, the family cannot take it. The blessing God has assigned to you, high at the highs of the gods, at the arms of God's side. I bless you today, and I pray this prayer for you, and so shall it be in the name of Jesus Christ. I bless you. You shall not die by accident, or terminate shall not be your portion. No matter every evil plan towards your life, all terminated today. As you have watched this program today, the first Sunday of the month of November, I prophesy upon your life, you shall not die. Bad news shall not come to you. You shall hear good news. Whatsoever you have laid your hands upon, you shall see the goodness of that particular thing, and it shall be a blessing to you. You will all possess your possession. So I pray today, in the name of God the Father, and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit, receive the blessing from the God Almighty that created heaven and earth as the high priest of the gods. I pray for you today. You shall possess your possession, and those looking for the fruit of the womb, today you shall be fertile. No matter what have been the obstacle towards your fertility, every obstacle that have been the agents against your own, I pray today, the same God that answered Sarah, the wife of Abraham, today I've said, He will meet you at the point of your name, and you will receive the blessing, because this is the answer of blessing, and you shall possess it. I pray for you today, as you watch me, and as you share, the God Almighty that created heaven and earth, the God that giveth breath, that created the sun, the moon and the sun, that separated the firmament from that. Today, I said you can receive the blessing which God have ordained for you. Receive it, and so shall it be. In the name of our God Almighty, the creator of heaven and earth, and our ancestors have granted it, so shall it be. In Jesus' name, receive your miracle. It's a blessing. It's not a miracle. It's what God have obtained for you. But the enemy have become an obstacle towards it.
It's what God has already obtained. This is what you need to be. I have given you this, but there are some people fighting against those blessings. But today, you receive what God has obtained from you from the day you were being born. And that is what people will pray, says a miracle. No, it's your destiny. God has ordained it, but there are some forces fighting against it. But today, God said, no, the time has come. It's your time of breakthrough. You shall possess your possession. So I pray, and as many that are plotted evil against you, I don't pray for our enemy to see what I become in future. So same prayer, I wish I don't pray for my enemy to see what I become. I don't pray for your enemy to see what you become for your future. I pray for death upon your enemy. Yes, death upon your enemy, so shall it be in Jesus' name. And death upon my enemy, upon those that plotted evil against me, upon those that want my death. And so I pray for you, death upon your enemy. Receive it in Jesus' name. Have a wonderful day, and sweet dream, and happy new month once again. This month is a month of testimony for you. Receive your blessing, so shall it be in Jesus' name. See you next time on my program. I remain Uyiedo Tosho, the Kokobiri Master, the husband to all single mother. That is me. I love you all. I will keep on loving you. I'm the servant of you because I'm doing the work of my Father, because I'm ready to serve the masses. That is what I'm doing. I love you all. Have a wonderful day. See you some other time on my program. I love you. Ciao. God bless you. And as you share and as you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Uyiedo Talk Show Foundation YouTube. God bless you. Ciao.